G'day everyone, welcome back. Shawnee's Ultimate Reviews. Today in this episode, we're going to be reviewing the tactical torch, the Olight Warrior 3S. Now this torch packs a punch for something so tiny. In the full setting of this, you get 300 meters of direct light with 2300 luminous. It's got 5 different settings and it goes all the way down to a mode called Moon, which gives you about 1 luminous. Then it goes up from low, medium, high to turbo. Turbo is the one that gives you 2,300 luminous. Now this torch, another good thing about it, you get a warranty of a lifetime. If something goes wrong with it, they'll send you out a new torch. And I know that for a fact. My previous model, I had the Mini 3 Olight. I think it's a Warrior model. And when I send in all the details and showed them a video of what had happened, no question, they sent me out a brand new torch and they said, look, sorry sir, we cannot send you the Mini 3 Warrior or whatever it's called. We don't have that model in stock anymore. We will send you the next model up, and this is what I got. And Olights, I swear by them, being my fourth, and I use them all the time. I tell you what, nothing compares to them. What we'll do, we'll unbox this little bad boy. I'll show you what you get and we'll take it out for a field test. So this is it, the Olight Warrior 3S. As you can see, it comes in a beautiful box. It's like nearly like an iPhone box. I've taken this apart already just to charge it up beforehand. So it's a fake unboxing. A lot of people do it, but they don't tell you that. But I'm telling you, it's a fake unboxing. So here we go. And can you read that? Thanks for being a part of our Olight family. Your support is why we do this. Enjoy. This mob takes a lot of pride in their products. This is a torch. You're thinking you're getting the latest iPhone. It is absolutely brilliant. It's a real solid case. If you turn it around, it's got the thing to put on your belt, unconnect it. So when you first turn this on, don't know if you can see it, we'll turn it on and off. It has the amount of power you got, and on the left side, it has the brightness. So we'll turn it on again. So at the moment it's a second. As you press it up, and it keeps going up each time you hold it down. And if you want turbo, you double click this button and you've got 4 lights, indicates 4 lights there, so you've got turbo mode. And at the back of it, it's got another switch. You give it a half click, it puts it on, I think it's a second setting, so the second lowest setting. And if you hold it in, it gives you turbo. So you press that switch, you press the main switch, and that gives you a second function on this. So you can either push it in hard, it gives you the flash, or if you just press it softly, it gives you a quick flash of the turbo mode. So yeah, you've got the different modes. And another thing I love about this torch, say you got it on the second highest setting or the highest setting in turbo, and all of a sudden you put it in, say you put it in front of an object like my hand, it dims. It's actually gone back to the second lowest setting. Now it's high again, now it's low. So if you're like walking along, you got to read paperwork, it actually dims for you. So that's a brilliant thing on this torch. It's charged by the magnetic clip that's at the back. So we'll show you that. That's a patent charger for the Olight, and that just goes into a USB fitting there. And this just clips at the back. Like so, you plug it in, 5 hours to fully charge this baby. So that's pretty good. If you go to the lowest setting, Moonlight, it's very low, but it's very good just for looking for things like around the house and that. That's 1 luminous. That gives you up to 55 days on one charge. If you go to the full power, which is the turbo, you get anything from about 10 minutes to 39 minutes. It's got a 5,000 milliamp battery, 3.6 volts. Super strong battery for such a little torch. You want to see what this torch is capable of? So we'll go outside, we'll check out what this bad boy can do. Let's go. Okay, we're going to show you what this baby's like. It's bloody freezing out here at the moment. It's like so bloody cold. Middle winter in Melbourne, it's freezing. All right, come with me. All right, we're just going to go over the road where it's super dark. First of all, we've got it in moonlight mode. This is the lowest setting. Not that bright, but for what it is, it's pretty good. That's the second highest. And it shows a fair bit of stuff. I think it's about 50 luminous. I could be wrong though. I'm pretty sure that's what they said. And we'll go up another level. This is the third highest, and this is one of my favorites because you get a fair bit of brightness out of it, and it lasts a lot longer than turbo, and it's still damn bright. This is the one I use a lot because I know I'm going to get a fair bit of time out of it. It's not going to go flat on you in half an hour or nothing. And then you've got the super bright mode. This is turbo. This is the brightest. This shines about 300 meters. And you can see how well that's lit up. That's pretty mad. And I don't know if you can see those hills in the distance. You can see all the trees in the distance. So this setting, you only get about half an hour out of this. So you don't use it a lot. I tend to stick on the second highest or the third highest. But if you need it, and it's there, man. It's so bright. Look at the way it lights up. Turn it off. Look at that. That's mad. And you got another one. I'll show you this other setting. See, that's a flash. That's blinding. If someone comes up to you, you shine that in their face, they won't be able to see for a second. So this is good for security. That'll blind you, man. I think that's that turbo mode, just flashing. So yeah, we get pretty blinded by that. So there you have it, the Olight. I'm actually using it now to show my face, my beautiful face. So there you have it. And the best thing about it, lifetime warranty. I think the recommended retail is about $180, around that price, give or take a little bit. They always have specials. You probably get it for around about $150 when it's on special. All right, so there you have it, the Olight Warrior 3S. Brilliant torch, tiny, easy to carry, tactical, home use, anything. It's just brilliant. All right, I'm gonna go inside, guys. It's damn freezing. All right. Thanks for watching Shawnee's Ultimate Reviews. Please subscribe to my channel. The more subscribers, the more stuff I get, the more stuff I can show you. Thanks again, guys, and we'll see you soon.